Hi friends, Dr. Sitesh Roy, allergist immunologist here. Today we speak about a lot of conversation going on around about not celebrating Holi. Holi is an incredible festival held at the start of spring in India and has many different connotations or reasons why it is celebrated, right from the celebration of spring harvest that is just completing in northern India to the significance of the victory of good over evil, as we have all heard the story. There are several reasons why I would say that you should celebrate Holi even this year, because the risk of coronavirus has scared people where they are trying to avoid groups or gatherings. And while there is some truth to this thing, I don't think that Holi as a festival needs to be skipped because of that. The reason being that in the Holika Dahan, the fire that is burned during Holi, it is well known historically that a lot of insects, germs, bugs also give up their lives as part of the cycle of nature. And with the rise in temperature that occurs with the Holika Dahan, viruses like coronavirus cannot survive. So there are certainly antimicrobial reasons why this can be of benefit. Now if someone does have allergies or asthma and the smoke from the fire may affect them, then they should certainly take the necessary precautions. When we look at the gathering and the get-together that occurs around the Holika Dahan as well as the water celebration of Holi with the different colors, we realize that the happiness, the joy, the togetherness, the brotherhood, the sisterhood, and the bonding that occurs around Holi is invaluable for human life, and certainly happiness and joy has been associated with a stronger immune system. It is also known that cold water, when splashed on the face, can be one of the ways to increase one's immunity. So while using safe colors, organic colors, eco-friendly colors, using water wisely and avoiding involving people who are not interested in playing and hence making it a nuisance, if we avoid these things, then certainly Holi can be happily and cheerfully celebrated, can be great for the immune system of everyone who's celebrating it, and certainly will keep the coronavirus away. It's also a matter of personal and social responsibility to avoid burning plastic, thermocol, and other such substances that release toxic gases into the air and the environment, and only burning dry wood, which is really what it's meant to be when it comes to this festival. So my suggestion, friends, is enjoy, have a good time, have a safe time with friends and family, and remember that the coronavirus does not need to get us down. We are winning this battle, and you are personally, with all the precautions that we've discussed in previous videos, helping the cause. Take care and bye for now.